Jack Palin. I'm doing question number 2. And here's number 2. 2a starts with this. So a of -1 equals, I chose negative because going from -4 to -1, this here is all negative. So that equals negative. All right. Number 2 is a of -4. So going from -4 to -4, you have conquered no space at all. So it is just this spot there, and that would equal 0. Okay. And at x of -4, a of x is, so at x of -4, see here, this is the x-axis. So this is going from positive to negative, and it changes at -4. So that would be called an inflection point, or a flat point, or a decreasing point. It's going down. Okay. And at x equals -4, x is inflection point 2 because it changes from negative, or from positive to negative, right here. From positive to negative. So inflection point. Okay. And at x equals -2, a of x is, so that is right here. Looking at this number here. The line here is going up, so it is increasing. Plus. At x equals -2, a of x is, so at -2, the line has started curving up, but it has not curved fully up yet. So it is still concatenating up, right here. Okay, at x equals 0, this point is right here. This point here is nowhere increasing or decreasing, so that would be a flat point. See, it's increasing here and decreasing here. It's flat there. Flat. And due to those change of signs, it goes from increasing to decreasing. That'll be called an inflection point. So it goes from positive to minus. Changes signs. Okay. And these are my answers for letter A. Stop for now. Then letter B, we have this graph here. What's the accumulation function of this single graph right here? Well, this graph decreases, but it's still positive. It never crosses the x-axis until 2.5. So all it is doing is increasing slower. So let's look at this one here. I chose option C because on this option it increases, but then doesn't increase as much as it was, and that's showing this here how it's still positive, but it's curving upwards. So it does this parallel there is shown right here, and then once it gets back higher and goes more positive, you see that graph go up to with this as well. And then once this crosses the x-axis right here, let's do it in red, right here, you see that because this now turns negative. And then see this here, it decreases more drastically until 3.2-ish, and you see that here too. 3.2-ish, it stops decreasing as powerfully. And that's shown right there. So option C it is. That's it.